Hello and welcome to our tutorial on texture painting. So here is our model. It is a bit blue. We will be doing some work on lighting shortly. So I'm going to select an object here. I'm just going to take this weight here at the side of our mech. And what we're going to do is we're going to do some texture painting on it. So I'll just split my view and I'm going to go to the UV image editor. So on the UV image editor, this is our render result, so we can just X out that. We can go into edit mode. Now in edit mode, there's nothing here. There's actually an image here called plate metal, which is actually what's wrapped onto this. It has a material and a texture. So we're going to replace this with our own. So we're going to go image, new image, and we're going to call this weight, and we'll leave it at 1024 by 1024. Okay. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to create a new texture. We're going to call this weight. We're going to do the same over here. We're going to make a new, sorry, that was a new material. Now we're going to make a new texture. We'll call it weight. Now we're going to go into texture paint. Now, what are we texture painting? We are going to texture paint this object here. Now, the object we want to paint has this image associated with it, so we need to replace that with this one here. Now, when I paint directly on here, so at the moment I'm set to white, I get my result here. So what I need here is to see the weight here. So I can paint onto this object, and so we have a full range of painting tools. We can pick a color, we can pick the strength and the size of the brush. The size of the brush also has a shortcut of F, so we'll make this sort of a large color here. We'll increase the strength of the brush, so we're going to make it grey. Now keep in mind it only draws from the angle that you're looking at, so it's possible to miss bits, as you can see we've done here. So sometimes you have to be quite thorough when you're painting. Now one of the other things that's quite interesting about this is we can paint over here. We can change this from view to paint and then directly paint on this side here. So if there was a bit that we missed, we could make sure that we caught it by so see these black pieces in here. So if I draw white on this side, then I've painted all them. And if I take a very quick streak here and identify this area, now this is not a terribly well unwrapped mesh. There are overlapping UV elements, and hence I'm drawing in several places at the same time. But if we could identify one place where we could draw, so where is that? That's there. So let's say these planes here. It would be just, I can draw, if I change this to something a bit darker, I can draw a line here, but I could just as easily draw a line here, and then it will appear on this side. So that is texture painting. If when you come in here you have no image, it says create new data point, When it does that, it will also create an image on this side, and that new image is the one that you should be drawing on top of. So if you've already made one, make sure you delete it, and then you can use these two arrows to move the image up and down through the layers. So the layer on top should be the one that you're currently painting on. Okay, so that was very simple, and hopefully that makes sense to you. Don't forget, my little star down here means I haven't saved the image, and in a similar way up here, my star in Blender means I haven't saved my blend file.